Hi guys, how is everyone doing? All right, quick one. I just want to show you guys how I make my homemade syrup remedy for cough for kids. Okay, because yesterday my son complained about his throat, and anytime he complains about his throat is a sign of him trying to have cough. Okay, so I quickly prepared this homemade remedy. So I noticed I have not done this video before. It's not in my channel, so I said this is a very good opportunity to show you guys how I achieve it. So if you want to know how you can achieve your own home remedy for cough for your children, keep watching this video. Okay, it's very effective. I can't remember the last time I bought cough syrup for kids last. You know, once they start feeling cough, I quickly prepare this and give it to them. Within 2 or 3 days, I'll be saying goodbye to that cough. So he has taken from it. Actually, when I made it, it was already full. He has taken about 3 spoons from this remedy. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon to give him 1 spoon now, because this is morning, is about leaving for school. I'll give him 1 spoon now, then repeat it again in the afternoon and in the night, which will make it second day. Like as you can see now, he's not even coughing like before. So that's to tell you it's very effective. Alright, so keep watching to know how you can preserve, how you can prepare and preserve it. Like after making it, I put it in my fridge. All I do is anytime I want to give it to him, I will just heat up the water in a bowl or in a cup and just put it inside for some minutes, okay, just to quench that cold in it, because it's coming out from the fridge, and I will give it to him. After that, I will put it back in the fridge. So keep watching guys to see how you can achieve this.